Dora the Explorer Puzzle Adventure. All right, let's put the puzzle pieces here. Hola, I'm Dora. Boots. And I are doing a puzzle of the wizard. Oh no, the wind has blown away 3 puzzle pieces. To find them, map says we need to go across Crocodile Lake, through the red tunnel, and to the end of the rainbow. Come on, vámonos. We made it to Crocodile Lake. Do you see any puzzle pieces around here? I see a splashing crocodile. And some rocks. Will you count the spotted rocks with me? 1, 2, 3. Good counting. There's one more rock, but it isn't spotted. Oh, it's a puzzle piece. We made it through the red tunnel. Let's find another puzzle piece. Boots. Can see a bee. And some flowers. How many red flowers do you see? 3. Muy bien. There's one more flower, but it isn't red. Look, it's another puzzle piece. We made it to the end of the rainbow. Where's the last puzzle piece? I see 4. Round coins. There's one more coin, but it isn't round. Yay, it's the last puzzle piece. Do you hear that? Swiper the fox. Is going to swipe our puzzle pieces. Swiper, no swiping. Los hicimos, we did it, hooray. We stopped Swiper. And we found the missing puzzle pieces. All 3 of them. Now we can finish the puzzle. The wizard is so happy to have his magic wand back. Gracias. Thanks for helping, Boots. And I couldn't have done it without you.